Have you ever looked at your bank account, glanced at your calendar, and thought, so I'm supposed to work until I'm 65 just to start living my life? If yes, you're not alone. People everywhere secretly wonder about early retirement but shut down the idea almost instantly because it sounds like something only the ultra-rich, the got-in-early-on crypto crowd, or the inheritance kids can pull off. But here's the thing, it's not. Retiring early without living off instant noodles or canceling every coffee with friends isn't some fairy tale. It's a system. It's a series of skills you can learn, habits you can switch, and money decisions you can take control of. And today, we're walking through how to make early retirement real without trading your lifestyle for a bunker and bulk rice bags. This is not about extreme frugality. This is about money decisions that buy your time back faster than you think. And unlike the usual stop buying avocado toast advice, these strategies are real, practical, and designed for everyday people, whether you're starting with $100 or $100,000. And don't miss the powerful conclusive takeaway at the end. If you're eager to build a life of abundance, hit subscribe now. We're committed to sharing proven methods and insights to help you succeed. So, let's dig in. Number 1. Redefine retirement. The first trap people fall into is clinging to the old-school definition of retirement. You picture gray hair, Florida condos, golf carts, and pensions. The thing is, that definition was built for a world where corporate jobs came with pensions, housing was cheap, and life expectancy was shorter. That world no longer exists. Today, retiring early doesn't mean never working again. It means not being forced to work for money. That's the real distinction. You could still choose to consult, start a side passion project, or manage investments, but the pressure is gone. Your expenses are covered. This mindset is liberating, because once you aim not to escape work entirely but to cover your must-haves with passive income, the math suddenly becomes achievable. Stop saying, I want to retire early someday, and start saying, I want to reach the point where my assets cover my lifestyle. Retirement isn't an age, it's a number. It's freedom quantified. Number 2, build a growth gap. If you want early retirement, you need to stop focusing on small coupon-clipping savings tips and start creating what I call the growth gap. This is the difference between what you earn and what you spend, and then multiplying that difference as fast as possible. Most people misunderstand the problem. They think their Starbucks lattes are the enemy. They're not. It's lifestyle creep, the choice to inflate your costs in lockstep with your income. That's what crushes people. A person earning $40,000 but living on $30,000 has more financial leverage than someone earning $150,000 but burning through $140,000 per year. It's not the digits on your paycheck. It's how much of it you keep. Targeting a growth gap means 2 things. First, don't raise your expenses every time you get a raise. Use raises to widen that saving-investing gap. Second, scale your income strategically. So when someone says early retirement is impossible, they misunderstand the math. The core question is not how much do I make, but how big can I grow my gap while still enjoying life? That's your engine. Number 3, pay yourself first with automation. The single most important habit for building wealth faster than your neighbors is automation. If you rely on willpower to save money, you'll always lose to lifestyle temptation. But when you set it on autopilot, the progress feels effortless. Here's how it works. The same day your paycheck hits, an automated transfer moves a percentage into investments. Not a savings account you'll dip into, but actual investment vehicles, index funds, ETFs, or even alternates like real estate REITs. You never see this money sitting idle in your checking account, so you never feel the pain of saving. It's already gone, working for you. If you're serious about retiring early, set up a no-excuses auto-invest plan. Because if you don't pay yourself first, the world will always find a way to make you pay. Number 4, invest for freedom, not bragging rights. The biggest wealth killer isn't just bad investments, it's ego. People chase risky bets to get rich fast and end up broke faster. When the goal is early retirement, your portfolio must prioritize reliable cash flow over dinner party bragging rights. A practical wealth-building mix includes broad index funds, dividend-paying stocks, and cash-flowing real estate. Over decades, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% annually, which turns consistent contributions into life-changing money. Dividends give you passive cash each quarter to reinvest or spend. Real estate rentals can cover your monthly bills while properties appreciate. Forget about winning the next Tesla stock. What wins the game is consistency, discipline, and assets that pay you repeatedly. If your goal is early retirement, invest like an owner, not a gambler. Number 5. Replace bad debt with smart leverage. Debt gets a bad reputation, and rightfully so if we're talking about credit cards with 20% interest. But not all debt is created equal. There's destructive debt, and then there's leverage that accelerates your retirement. The first step is eliminating the bad debt, anything with double-digit interest. Credit card balances, payday loans, and car loans will set your retirement back by years if you let them linger. Attack them ruthlessly. If you're paying $400 a month in interest, imagine what happens when you redirect that into investments instead. That alone can swing your wealth trajectory by 6 figures over a decade. The next step is learning to use smart debt. A real estate mortgage on a rental property, if structured well, is an example of leverage that builds wealth while someone else, your tenant, covers the payment. A $200,000 rental could cash flow $300 a month. Do that multiple times, and you've built leveraged wealth without destroying your lifestyle. The rule of thumb: bad debt costs you freedom, smart debt buys you freedom faster. Master that distinction, and the retirement clock will suddenly tick in your favor. Number 6. Keep lifestyle enjoyment but cut lifestyle waste. One of the biggest myths about early retirement is that it requires a joyless, monk-like existence. You don't need to eliminate dinners out, travel, or hobbies. You just need to be strategic about what you actually value and eliminate what you don't. Here's a simple exercise. Take your last month's bank statement and highlight every purchase that genuinely improved your happiness. Then circle the ones you barely remember. You'll likely find that 20% of your spending delivers 80% of your enjoyment, and the rest is just financial leakage. The wealthy don't live miserably, they live intentionally. They maximize joy per dollar. And if you optimize for joy per dollar instead of status symbols, you won't feel deprived while saving aggressively. That's the true cheat code for enjoying life now and retiring early. Number 7. Build passive income streams. To break free from paycheck dependence, you need passive income. That's money that shows up whether or not you're at the office. This can come from 3 main routes: dividends, real estate, and digital assets. Dividends are straightforward. Own shares of companies that send you quarterly checks. If you build up $300,000 in dividend-paying stocks yielding 4%, that's $12,000 a year coming to you no matter what. Real estate is a classic. Even one rental property generating $400, $600 a month can change the game. Multiply that, and you suddenly have your living expenses fully covered. Passive income is like planting financial seeds. Each one grows into its own little money tree. Plant enough trees, and you've built yourself a forest that keeps producing shade and fruit long after you stop working. Number 8. Understand the time value of money. One of the least discussed but most crucial principles is the time value of money. What you do in your 20s or 30s has an impact 10 times greater than what you do in your 50s. Waiting is the enemy here. If you invest $500 a month at age 25, by 45, you'll have around $300,000. Wait until 35 to start, and you'll have less than half that by 45. Why? Compounding. Time multiplies your money more than the amount you contribute. So here's the tough love moment. Stop saying, "I'll start saving when I make more." If you can put away even $100 a month now, it matters. Start small, grow the habit, and scale as your income grows. The biggest mistake people make is overestimating how much they need to start and underestimating the brutal cost of waiting. Retiring early is like planting a tree. The best time was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Here is the powerful conclusion you are waiting for. Early retirement without sacrificing your lifestyle isn't only for the elite. It's for the disciplined. It's for the people willing to think differently, automate wisely, and keep stacking smart choices. The systems are available to anyone. It doesn't require deprivation, just direction. Remember, retirement is not an age. It's a number. And the sooner you aim at it with discipline, the sooner you get there. Now imagine yourself 10 or 15 years from today. Instead of clock watching in a fluorescent office, you could be sipping coffee on your balcony, knowing your bills are covered and your time is yours. That isn't just a dream, it's a plan. The only thing left is whether or not you'll start today. I believe that together, we can build a better, wealthier future. If this inspires you, like it, share with your closed ones so they can benefit from it too, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. Now, if you want to know the hidden math behind how wealth actually compounds, then watch this video. I'll see you there.